Trust issue is one of the main reasons why relationship fail. So on this video today, this is the part 4 video of why relationship fail. So we'll be dwelling on trust issue. Have you seen people who are in love? You understand, they are in love with their partner with the whole of their hearts and everything they have. But once trust issues start creeping in, the relationship begins to suffer. The relationship begins to lose what I call its vitality, because every relationship needs a certain vital component to make that relationship thrive. And one of the vital components of that relationship is what I call trust issue. So trust issue is one of the major reasons why relationship fail. So on this video, I'm going to be showing you step by step why trust issue will destroy your relationship, number one. Then number two, I'm going to show you step by step guide on how you can revive trust issue if it is affecting your relationship, if it is affecting your marriage. So once again, if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe and also join our community, and also like and share the video. Also do well to listen to the video to the end, because you are going to be getting something that will transform your relationship from where it is now to where it needs to be. Why trust issue will kill your relationship? Number one, trust issue will kill your relationship because of constant suspicion. You understand? Trust issue is going to kill your relationship because of constant suspicion. When you start having trust issue in your relationship, it's going to create constant suspicion. Without trust in that your relationship, every little or late response to your message, or not picking your call alone, that little delay in response will send a signal. Is like my partner is cheating, or it's like my partner is responding to somebody else's message. That is why I am getting late response. That is what trust issue is going to do to your relationship. Then second thing trust issue will do to your relationship is what I call control and insecurity. One partner starts feeling like other person is not actually having their time, or you just feel insecure, and each time you have the opportunity to grab or check your partner's phone, you just want to go straight into their phone to check who is their last conversation with, who are they chatting with, what is the chat all about, what is the mood of their conversation, is it something fishy, something like that. Or maybe you might be having a conversation with your partner, and the next thing you'll be like, hey babe, where are you? Your partner is telling you, okay, I'm in the kitchen right now trying to get some things done. You'll be like, are you sure you're in the kitchen? Say, yes, I'm in the kitchen. Okay, I want to hear the sound of a spoon and a pot. That's what trust issue is going to cause to your relationship. Then number three thing trust issue will cause in your relationship is what I call cycle of fear. You understand? At this point, the relationship is feeling like a bondage to you. You are feeling like you are in a war zone with that your partner, just because of you guys are having trust issue. But if you choose to revive and solve that trust issue, it's going to make your relationship heaven and air, heaven on earth. You understand? So this is how you can revive and fix that trust issue in your relationship. You know, I told you to watch this video to the end because you'll be getting nothing but value. The number one thing you need to do to revive trust issue in your relationship is what I call honest conversation. Two of you need to sit down, look each other in the eye, and have a honest conversation. Okay, where are we not getting this thing right? Where is the loophole? What is the weakness of this relationship? Not our weakness as an individual. What is the weakness of this relationship? What are the things this relationship will need to have in place to make it move from where it is now to where it needs to be? Those are what I call honest conversation. The number two thing you need to do to revive your relationship is what I call transparency. You understand? You people are not into secret court that nobody should know what you are doing. You understand? Even days like that, two of you need to be very, very transparent on your personal issue. Be transparent about your work. Be transparent about your weaknesses. Be transparent about everything you are going at that point in time or at that phase. Let your partner know what is going on. Be transparent with your finance. Be transparent with your family. You understand? Your family history. Be very, very transparent. Be very, very transparent. It's going to help you to revive trust issue in that your dying relationship. The number three thing you need to do to revive trust in your relationship is forgiveness and patience. You understand? Every relationship is just like you are building. You understand? Just like you are building, and every relationship go from stages to stages. So what actually keep that a relationship to transit through different stages of life is what I call patience and what I call forgiveness, because from time to time there'll be issues coming up, there'll be things that is coming up that want to like make a relationship, you know, unstable. So you just need to cultivate the habit. You need to learn to forgive. You need to learn to be patient with your spouse or with your partner. Learn that two of you are just too different. You understand? So you need to be patient with each other. With that, you are guaranteed of having your trust regained back in your relationship. Then number four thing you need to do to regain trust in your relationship is what I call boundaries. You understand? Let there be boundaries. You understand? Let there be mutual agreement. Like, babe, every day we are going to be having at least nothing less than 30 minutes of conversation, 30 minutes of we having a discussion, 30 minutes of we talking on how we move this relationship to the next level. Not we discussing past mistake that you notice about your partner. Not two of you discussing things that will not move that relationship from where it is to where it needs to be. Let there be boundaries. Let there be mutual agreement. Okay, babe, we are doing this for this relationship. We are doing this for this relationship. This and this and this is what we are going to do to achieve this. That's what I call boundary and honest conversation. So when one partner is going off the way, when one partner is not doing what they need to do to make sure that is achieved, you cannot address it. Hey babe, this is our agreement, this is our agreement, and what you are doing right now is contrary to our agreement, and it will not move the relationship forward. So once again, if you are watching this extent, congratulations. My next video on why relationship fail is something I don't want you to miss, because this is something most people shy away from. So before I go, I want you to know that relationship is a choice. You understand? So if you choose to be in a relationship with that person, if you choose to be in a relationship with somebody, please do all it takes to make relationship heaven on earth. Don't make relationship miserable with somebody. Don't make people hear the word love and they start crying and they start feeling bad just because of what it has shown them in the past. So do what it takes to make the relationship thrive, and also do well to subscribe to this channel and also like the video so that YouTube can suggest the video to people who need to watch it and make their relationship good. Once again, thank you. See you.